Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking in a key and pulse, because timing gives the meme its punch. First, transpose to C minor to simplify accidentals. Once done, set a metronome at 9100 BPM and count 4 beats per measure. Place your left hand on a steady C minor arpeggio to anchor harmony, and use the right hand for the short G, AB, BB motif. Keep fingers 1-3-5 on LH and 1-2-3 on RH to maintain clarity and speed. Now you focus on the recurring motif and how loudness sells the joke. Start by looping a 2-bar phrase slowly, and once consistent, push tempo up by 5-10% increments until you hit the target feel. Make sure to accent beat 1 and the syncopated off beat so the rhythm snaps. That accent is the meme's character. Experiment with light staccato on short notes, then a quick crescendo into the descending figure to produce the dramatic lift listeners expect. Finish by polishing transitions and securing a clean ending, because sloppy release ruins the gag. Record a full take, listen for rushed bars or weak accents, and rehearse just those spots until they are reliable. For the ending, play an octave jump in the left hand to C and resolve on a firm C minor triad to land the phrase. If things feel cramped or your fingers ache, slow the tempo or simplify left-hand motion. This prevents mistakes and keeps the performance consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.